fiscal 26 target has been maintained at 4.4% of GDP.
Your questions on the budget, we've got them sorted. Here comes sounds of budget.
The budget aligned its fiscal discipline goals with meeting its strategic objectives. When we see the math, we see the fiscal 26 target has been maintained at 4.4% of GDP along our expectations. Fiscal 27 is when the nominal anchor moved to the debt to GDP ratio. Their plans are to lower it by about 0.5% of GDP. The deficit target will be lower by about a nominal 0.1% of GDP. So consolidation is still occurring, but at a slightly gradual pace. Overall, we see that the budget has stuck to its agenda of consolidating finances further. At this point, the attention will certainly turn to the states to see how fast are they able to lower their debt as well as deficit levels.
Your questions on the budget, we've got them sorted. Here comes sounds of budget.